Mentor versus student, nagkapalitan ng tres sila Marky at Vic Manuel pero hanggang doon na lang yon as Abra goes for the kill and sweep. Lakay, Dave Ildefonso nagwala na sa Game 3. Sinalpakan ng Pangasinan with Raise the Roof celebration, napakamot na lang sila kay Danny Ildefonso. Tinuluyan na ng Abra ang Pangasinan, durog na durog sa sariling home court, pinagdadakdakan na lang din at mag-a-advance na sa finals ang Abra. Shoutout na rin sa mga nag-like, comment and share ng ating video. Panoorin natin ang highlights ng laban. I-like and share mo lang ang ating video and mag-subscribe sa ating YouTube.
The tip going to the side of Abra. Nice play! Right off. Tuba, pinigay muna kay Mike Ayonayon. The Hesse, the drive, off the glass and in. Utuba, shot clock winding down. Di Gregorio fires a free. It's good! In front of him, Di Gregorio momentarily escapes off the... Averaging 11 points per contest to go along with 12-point Tayon. Kick out pass, Brickman, the fake. Draws closer, pull-up jumper is money. As well as Vic Manuel. Manuel sa loob.
Number one defensive team, allowing only 67 points for their opponents in every game that they played. On the post area, Vic is very efficient.
Alin against two defenders. Nice backdoor cut.
Para dito sa 25% rather, para dito sa Heat Waves. You can't have that if you go up against the Weavers. Makes para dito sa Abra Weavers because they are more comfortable taking shots. This shot I like. I like it.
Alin hit a free earlier. Wow. This time he drives. Go. Serrano answers whenever. Serrano hahanap ng papasahan. Pinuntahan si Gonzalez. That's signature.
Talaga sa loob ng paint, they have enough shot blockers to try and protect the rim. And
turnover, Ildefonso. Pass to Serrano. In transition.
His assists and his baskets have been very crucial in that end game for the Weavers.
Approaching the 8-minute mark of the second quarter. Ayonayon straight to the cup. Plays it.
Yung basket na yun down the baseline side.
Galanza susugod. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Three-pointer on its way.
To end this series tonight and be that much closer.
There's something inside us na pwedeng lumabas ngayon. Sabi din niya, pang 4 days daw ang kanyang dalang gamit.
Yung recipient nung pasa na yun off that backdoor cut on a beautiful alley-oop. Good basket.
Ito, balik kay Jason Brickman. Ayon. Drop pass. CJ Austria. The hands
earlier. And ngayon, patuloy pa rin niyang ginagawa para dito sa Heat Waves.
Mark Yee swishes it.
Coverage defensive-wise, nagkakaroon ka ng challenges.
Manuel, finally. In fact, wala pang offensive rebound dito ang Pangasinan.
Correct.
Encho Serrano spinning his way.
Ito nga Abra Weavers on the defensive end.
Di Gregorio floats it up in a bar. Hindi pa talaga sila makalapit eh. Manuel, sidestep. He put to 2023. But prevailing there, Hesse
Production sa pag-shoot sa 3.
Galanza, atake, getting past Gio.
Energy, starting deep break with a lot of energy are what
in this series right now. Pangasinan is +2. Ildefonso, Galanza, ball book loose. Brickman, the heads-up play. Ildefonso will slam it home.
original kasi. Pababa sa paint.
Ildefonso, full head of steam. Lays it up. Approaching the halfway point of the third. Flores this time decisive on what he wanted to do. Makes and percentage. Oh, what a pass. Counted plus a...
Buwa rin ng 8 puntos yata yun in game number 2.
Here he is for free.
Pangasinan. But with the way things have been, it's gonna take a monster effort ng paint. Hindi ganun talaga kadali.
Gonzalez gets that one to... Kasama si Raven Gonzalez, David Ildefonso, Gio Chu, and Marwin Taiwan.
It's always it's good to have Kuya Mark also join us in the games from time to time.
Oh, naman.
Oh, man.
Marvin Taiwan.
That has just been too good from the perimeter.
The lob, Taiwan. Dave. Mintis pa din. Gonzalez with a throwdown. Under 6 minutes left. Taiwan. Oh, man.
It is teammate for them to have their own look. And that's why...
Papunta kay Ildefonso. Dave lobs it up. Gonzalez clearing space.
Ildefonso, he's not scoring his assistant. Kumbaga relax mode all throughout this game.
Wilkin, the Voyagers way back in March. They have not lost since. Wilkin, and yet, and you never felt like the chemistry come on.
Guys, is to see really good teams that have stretched themselves in the regular season, got past challenges in the playoffs.